Understanding the role of an elevator operator. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting term, elevator operator. Whether you're in a towering skyscraper or a historic building, this term might pop up. And it's great to know exactly what it means. So, let's get started and uncover the details together. An elevator operator is a person who operates and controls the elevator. Back in the day, before the advent of automatic elevators, this job was crucial for the safe and efficient transportation of people between different floors of a building. The operator's responsibilities included manually controlling the elevator's movement, ensuring the safety of passengers, and sometimes even announcing the floors or points of interest. It's a role that combines skill, safety awareness, and customer service. While the need for elevator operators has decreased with the introduction of automatic elevators, there are still places where they are employed. These include luxury establishments, historic buildings, or in situations where additional assistance or security is needed. In modern contexts, an elevator operator might also assist people with disabilities, provide information about the building, or enhance the overall experience of the ride. The concept of an elevator operator is not just about the job itself but also about the cultural and historical layers it adds to our understanding of society. In many classic films and literature, elevator operators are portrayed as key witnesses or participants in the stories of the people who move through their elevators. This role highlights the evolution of technology, architecture, and job markets over time. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing world of elevator operators. While it might seem like a relic from the past, understanding such terms enriches our grasp of the English language and its connection to culture and history. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content. Remember, every word has a story, and it's our joy to explore them with you. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.